Dolphin. So coming into a tabletop position, wrist under shoulders above wrist, knees in line with hips. So coming down onto your elbows, right where your hands were, make a fist. Like all 10 fingers make a fist. Press back up like you're going into down dog. Lifting your hips up, trying to get your heels to the mat. Pressing your chest back towards your thighs. So if you can get your feet down, you can begin to slowly start walking your feet in to prepare for inversions. Keeping your shoulders pressing into your shoulders. You want to keep your back straight, lengthening through the spine. And release, coming back into tabletop. So from the front. Ooh. And release. Dolphin.